You just have to put honey in the toilet paper and you'll be surprised by the result. A man taught me this trick and today I'll share it with you. It's very simple, but I assure you it will be very useful. I'm sure you've never used toilet paper this way, but when you find out what it's for, I'm sure you'll do it too. To start, we'll need a roll of toilet paper. Actually, we'll just cut a piece. It doesn't have to be very big or very small. A piece like this size is fine. Then fold it in half. This trick is wonderful. It's used in fields and farms. You'll be left speechless with the result if you stay until the end. Then roll it up like I'm doing. Take this moment to tell me in which city you are seeing our tip today. I want to send you a very special greeting and thank you for seeing us. Once this is done, it will be rolled from one end to the other. Now leave the paper aside. We'll need a container. We'll use coffee powder. We'll add 2 tablespoons of coffee. After that, we'll use honey. Add a little honey to the powder. You can also use honey syrup or pure honey like this. Now mix very well until all the ingredients are involved and it will look like this. Put a little on your fingers and spread it all over the paper like I'm doing. It's very important to spread it all over the paper. I imagine you must be curious to know what this is for. I'll tell you right away. Don't miss it. Here I've gone through all the parts of the paper as you can see in the sequence. Take a glass container or bottle like the one I'm showing you. It can only be glass because the plastic one could melt. Now, with the help of a funnel, we'll add a few cloves of smell. Approximately 20 cloves of smell inside the container will be enough. After adding the cloves of smell, we'll add white vinegar. Add until all the cloves of smell are covered. Very simple and easy to do. Once this is done, now place the paper inside, leaving the end of the paper in contact with the white vinegar and the cloves we added, and the other part out of the bottle like this. Now you just have to light it. It doesn't have to be on fire. Just let it burn. At this point, I imagine you're very curious to know what it's for. What we did is a wonderful repellent, useful to scare away all kinds of mosquitoes, like mosquitoes, bees, wasps, and even cockroaches, for all flying insects, but mainly for mosquitoes. I hope you enjoyed today's advice and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos we publish.